My name is Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. My voice may not be heard, but I'm still recording. Try it, I'm in! I think I'm still recording. I don't know. I hope I'm getting this, but we're playing Oscar Paradise. I have a proper name, but if you guys ain't new to my channel, my name is Andrew, and please subscribe. Yeah. So my name's lagging. I'm playing on mobile, so my name probably don't lag a lot. I'm probably I'm horrible at it, so see my name. It won't jump. And I want to tell him to play my obby. My obby is called the Bangin' Obby. So you see obby called the Bangin' Obby? That's me. Oh, I'm an idiot. Oh, sorry, I'm in. I'm in, yo. Join. Oh, I hate this second thing, yo. I've been recording for 1 minute and I'm already bored. And I already feel like playing a different game. This seems. I think, I don't know. I'm recording, but I don't know if I'm screen recording. Don't come down here.
Why?
Because you're not gonna be in the video. You're not gonna be in my video.
You hit this?
Oh my god. Yes, I hit the record button.
Yeah, okay.
How did I get down the first one? Let's go, peeps. I died.
What game are you playing?
Oscar Paradise.
I'm in work at a pizza place.
And can you like turn that down?
But it needs the sound up to record. So,
My sound is up.
well, I'm just when you open then.
I just got out of that game.
So what game are you
I don't know what I'm gonna play. Shut up, yo.
Please work at a pizza place with me.
No, you wanna play Peaky Alpha? Just like proper thing now in Roblox.
That's what I'm playing.
Peaky Alpha. Peaky. Oh, died. We have theme park guys, we died. Oh, who's that? I don't know what to do. I should have set on it. Did you see me? He did not see me. Alright guys, so I'm sorry if I don't talk throughout the video. I didn't really focus on this name. On these names. So if I don't talk, I'm still here. But oh, you need a wrench.
Now let's go.
So if you're not gonna play the same game as me, just get out.
No, you can't tell me what to do.
Shut up.
No.
Okay? You really want this to be posted on YouTube? Didn't need it now. Tell her I'm stream recording. Oh no.
You don't give a F.
You don't want to jump in.
And plus he's busy with her cousin.
What the hell is that? What the hell is that, yo?
Yeah, you can't post it.
Everybody says Asian, even Jake says Asian. Even Rudy says
Hey!
Hey, I'm gonna tell she's offended. Don't you tell.
Don't you dare, but you know you can't
Okay, stop.
cuss.
I said the H word! It's not even a bad word. What is that? I see the exit. this is just being annoying right now.
Shut the fuck up. If you can cuss,
Okay, shut
I
up.
can cuss.
I didn't say nothing. You're really freaking loud right now. I'm about to move.
Good.
Not even move and get away from you to a different room and lock the goddamn door.
Bye-bye. Go.
I wonder what this is.
Go.
I don't even want to know what that is. I think we'll start recording and make a new one. I know this is probably a boring video, but I haven't recorded in a while and I decided to come back for a Roblox video.
You have not recorded before, so stop lying.
I said I haven't recorded in a while. Why can't you exit out? Oh, it's the exit. The theme parks.
So now
I
I am
wanna
going
know
to
you. What's up here? What's up here?
the private island.
Game over. I'm gonna do. Yeah, you're gonna be able to see my face. I don't care. I'm not gonna sleep with that. And I probably gonna sleep with Why can't I move? Yo. Guys. My game's frozen. No. You gotta be kidding me. Alright guys, let's wrap up this video.